Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you two methods to import files into CapCut PC. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's start. First, open the CapCut, start creating, give the file name over here. So I'm showing you the first method to import your files. In the top bar, see the media and here import. So click this plus icon. You can import your files right now. So if you want to add more files, do the same way, import, bring the files here. So this is the first method. Right now I would like to share you another method. This is the second way you can import your files into CapCut. From the top, see the menu, click this drop down. So the first option file pop up. Go to the import. So you can bring your files. Do the same thing if you want the multiple files in your project. So this is the very quick and easy way to import your files. You can choose any of the two methods. So if you like this video content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.